Ready? Okay, so finally here we are. Tanchana, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Namaskara Matregla, inshallah. So it's been a very long time that I haven't posted any videos or to my YouTube channel, because you all know that I have been busy shooting for my project. But soon you all will be knowing about it, and we are back from the shoot, so we are tan, we need some self-pampering. So the people who follow me on Instagram, where I go, and there are a lot of questions on my Instagram. People have been asking like what you do to your skincare, what you do to your hair, and etc etc. Today I'll be showing you all of the services that I do when I go to salon, and where's the best place and I go to. It's Bossin, the salon, the Bossin. It's located in Dombivli. I'll take you there and I'll show you. And also, you must be thinking why I'm showing off. It's cool, guys. I don't know, it's cool. I don't know, it's suiting me on, it's going on with me or not, but I'm loving it. Like, these shades are from the amazeforyou.in, which is an Instagram page. You must have seen on my Instagram profile that I have been wearing one more, their orange cat eyes wala shades, which unexpectedly went well on my outfit. And this is the another one, which is like some bluish something, and which I thought like today it is going with my outfit, so I'm just wearing it. I don't know how it's looking. And this is the first time that I'm trying something new with the shades. I have never gone out with a black black shade se main kabhi out of the box nahi gayi. So this is the first time that I'm trying, and I'm liking it. And they have got some really nice collection, guys. You have to check it out on the Instagram page, which is amazeforyou.in. And also, if you buy any one of them and do use my coupon code, which is SAMATA, you'll get 11% discount. So guys, what are you waiting for? Get some new shades. It's summertime. Okay, so I'll be going now, and I'll take you there and I'll show you what services and pampering I do to myself. So see you there. Okay, so finally here we are at the Bossin, the salon, and meet the boss herself, Uzma. So Uzma, tell me, where is this located?
This is located in Dombivli East, MIDC area.
And isn't she beautiful? Yes. Okay, so आज मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ to do all the services. Yes. So what services I should do that you will suggest me to do? Like you can see, I'm a whole tanned and all of this.
So firstly we'll start with the spa, hair spa, and then we'll go for body polishing and facial. That will be deep cleansing facial, yeah, and there will be anti-tan mask also along with the facials and body polishing. Yeah, that's it. And waxing.
Yeah,
and
okay.
Waxing.
That's what it is. So you all must be seeing me always posting Bossin the photos. So you all ask me, it's a collaboration or what it is, kya hai. So guys, I get discount, okay? To be frank, I get discounts, and this is my favorite place here in Dombivli to be. And every time like I want to pamper myself, or if there's anything after my shoot, there's this one place I'll come directly running here, and she's always there to guide me. Their products and everything are really genuine. So if anyone is right here or nearby, or one time you must come and visit here, and you can see the results. And I'll always suggest you to visit Bossin the salon and get yourself pampered. And also you will get discount if you tell her.
Yeah. You have to use Samta's code.
Yeah. And also tell them what services you all provide.
We have hair services, hair treatments, skin treatments, beauty treatments. We have nail extensions, eyelashes extensions. We have this hair extensions also. We have come up with this new service, which is hair extensions.
And also tattoo.
And yes, of course, tattoo.
And also they have their Bossin restaurant. I'll try to vlog in my next YouTube video. So do check it out.
You'll be cooking there.
I'll be cooking? Oh no, the restaurant will get closed soon. And there are offers also going on.
Yeah. You can DM us on Instagram or WhatsApp us for more details and good offers.
Yeah, I'll tag their account and everything, my story, and down in the bio, so you can check it out and come here. and let me show you the possible salon. Let's go.
Yay!
Namaskara. So finally now I'm here. We are doing the hair wash. Pinikulit na to yan na hair check to so ito na baka transformation ko to ba so
ये हर्ष करते हैं
किया था
शब्द बनना वाला आप किस में आया
this is the head massager.
चले स्टार्ट
The people who don't know me or know me, I love head massages. Okay, I love head massages. Bhumi Dubaida. Out, they are the cheek. Go on.
Special massage of Fina Stylish. You can see her.
हाथ में प्रेशर पूरा हाथ में जाता है अच्छा वो 3 स्प्रिंग है And this is our also favorite thing to do है ना हर्ष eating vada pav yeah. Thank you
Yeah.
so after all the messy and rough hair now you have to check my lip okay so sorry guys I forgot to shoot the outro there and I came back home because since morning I was there and it was too late it was 9 o'clock when I came back and yeah that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed and yeah I hope someday you also visit Bossem and if you visit do tell me how was your experience and someday I hope we will meet someday there because half the time I'm there only pampering myself and yeah that's it for the video. I hope you liked the video and thank you so much if you have watched the video till the end. I hope you had a good day too. So thank you so much and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel because it will mean a lot to me. Thank you guys. Bye Matregla. Take care. Ta-da.